So what is React? Well, you will also hear people refer to it as react.js or react.js. It is a free and open source front-end JavaScript library for building interactive-based UI by using components. Now, React is commonly known as a framework, and I also refer to it as a framework, and there's nothing wrong with it if you also call it one. Although it does not come upon installation with all the features that, for example, Angular does. And for example, the routing system and many more are missing upon installation, but React is also smaller due to that. This is later easily taken care of, and you can install any package that you wish using the npm. But more on this later on when we will create our own React application. Here's also a simple way to understand what React actually does. By using the React library, you can easily create interactive single-page applications with the help of stateful components. Now, React was initially developed by Facebook, also known as Meta today, in the early 2011. And it is declarative, efficient, and a flexible tool for building web applications, and it has become one of the most popular choices for building modern web applications. Also, as I said, it is my favorite framework. So once more, here's a simple way to understand what React actually does. By using the React library, you can easily create interactive single-page applications, also known as SPAs, with the help of stateful components. But now to the big question, should you even learn React? Why should you learn React? Why not learn Angular or Vue.js? And personally, I would recommend to learn a bit of all of them, just for comparison reasons, and also understanding other people's viewpoints on them. But at the end of the day, you need to focus most of your energy on only one thing. Which brings me to my number one reason for learning React: demand. React is in high demand in the job market. Many companies are using React for their web development projects, and there is a high demand for developers with React skills. React is also a popular front-end JavaScript library, and it is one of the most popular front-end libraries today, with a large and active community of developers. Learning React can help you join this community and gain access to its resources. Next up, it is easy to learn. React is really easy to learn. You would see in this course, React has a simple and intuitive syntax, which makes it easy to learn and use for both beginners and experienced developers. React also has a really large ecosystem. React has a large ecosystem for tools, for libraries, and frameworks that can help you build complex and scalable applications. React's component-based architecture allows for creation of reusable UI components that can be used across different applications and projects. React is highly efficient. It uses a virtual DOM, which allows for faster rendering and better performance than traditional DOM manipulation techniques. React is adaptable to different platforms. It can be used to build web application, mobile applications, desktop application, and even virtual and augmented reality applications. React supports server-side rendering. Its server-side rendering capabilities can improve SEO performance and user experience for web development. React is constantly evolving. It is continuously evolving with new features and updates being added regularly. Learning React can help you stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in the web development world. And last but not least, React has a strong community and resources, of course. It has a strong and supportive community with many online resources, documentations, and tutorials available to help you learn and use the library efficiently and effectively. Now, I will not include this as an argument, but this is very important. This is not an argument for the React framework, but this is an argument for all of the frameworks. It saves you time and money by reducing development time due to the fact that it is component-based. Now, you can break down an interface into reusable components that allow you to build dynamic user interfaces. And this also taps into the current thinking behind the design systems. Okay, so overall, learning React can be a valuable investment in your career as a web developer, and it can help you build better, more scalable web applications. Okay, so I hope that by now I have convinced you that React at least deserves to be given a chance.